Hello, Sondukafe is my name, and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install, set up, and customize a WordPress theme. You'll learn how to automatically install themes from the WordPress themes directory, which houses tons of free themes. You also learn how to manually install WordPress themes, which is how you install third-party themes from premium theme websites like ThemeForest and so on. Ready? Let's get started. So to install a WordPress theme, once you're in your WordPress dashboard, you want to go to Appearance and click on Themes. It's going to show you your list of themes. By default, you see these 4 WordPress themes, which is the default WordPress theme that comes with any WordPress installation. Now to add a new theme, you want to click on Add New, and it's going to open up the WordPress themes directory. Now the WordPress themes of directory has tons of free themes, and they're all free to use. The theme directory has the Future tab, which shows you a list of themes featured by WordPress. It also has the Popular tab, which shows you list of some popular WordPress themes at any point in time. It has the Latest tab, which shows you the latest addition of WordPress themes. It also has the Favorites tab, which allows you to add a list of WordPress themes to your list of favorite themes. And on any WordPress website you've set up, any WordPress installation you set up, you can enter your username and pull up your list of favorite themes and install them on that website. It also has this feature called Feature Filter that allows you to easily search for a theme based on features, which could be the subject, it could be the features the theme has, and it could also be the theme layout. Now let's go back to the default tab, which is the Features tab. Now, to install a WordPress theme, you can either scroll through the theme directory and find a theme you like, or you could search for a theme, which is an easy way to find a theme. Now, to search for a theme, you either need a theme name or you just have to know what you want the theme to do. For instance, if you're looking for a business theme for a business website, you could just search for business and then download a list of themes which should be, in most cases, suitable for a business website. You could say these themes all have the layout for business website. If you're looking for a theme for a blog, you just search for blog, and then they'll show you a list of themes which should be suitable for a blog. And then if you're looking for a theme for a store, you could just search for store, and then it will show you themes that will be suitable for a store. You can also see that these themes, you can see that these themes have products and product prices. So that's how to quickly search for a theme. If you don't know the theme name, just type in the keywords that relates to the theme. Now, since we don't have a particular theme in mind, we're just going to go to the Popular tab, and then we're just going to look for a few themes that we like or that looks nice and install. So let's just scroll down and then check through. Okay, I think I like this. This should be suitable for a blog. So that's one theme we'll install. Let's find another. I think I saw. Okay, so let's go ahead and install 1 or 2 themes so we don't take a lot of time. So for our first demo, we're going to try. I'm just trying to find a theme. I like. Okay, I think I like this. So we're just going to click on to install a theme. All we need to do is just to click on install and give it some few seconds to load. As you can see, it's installing the theme. Now, after installation, this is going to change to activate, and to activate the theme, all you need to do is just click on the activate button once this changes to activate the theme. You see, it that's shown activate, which means the theme has been installed. To activate this theme, all what we need to do is to click on activate. Now, before I activate this, let me also show you that you can also see a preview button. But the challenge with the preview is that in most cases it will not give you a perfect preview. You not see exactly what you have here. Now, to try to preview, you just click on preview and then you give it some few seconds to load. But in most cases, the preview may not give you exactly what you want. You may not see exactly this because most themes requires some setup maybe, and they need one or two plugins that comes with the theme for you to be able to achieve the perfect look. Okay, so let's go back and activate the theme we had installed. So for that, you just click on activate right here, and it's going to activate the theme. Now, once you've activated the theme, the next thing you want to do is to customize that theme. It's basically to set up and customize that theme. Now, for you to do that, I normally will advise just basically using your eyes around the dashboard, and you'll be able to find way to activate the theme. Now, I've not used this before. I think they're saying that they've switched to a new theme. Okay, so to customize this, if you don't see an option, most people will bring an additional option that says theme option. If you don't see that here, what you want to do is just to click on customize, and then you'll be able to customize the theme using this customize through the customize tab. So in most WordPress theme, you customize it using customize. Okay, you've seen. Okay, let's visit our website and see what it looks like. For this demo, we are using website, which is a website that's set up for demo purpose. Oh, pardon me. I think let me remove one of the. You can see that already brought in the demo content on its own. Some teams will not look this nice immediately. You may have to click some buttons to import the demo content. Okay, so this already has a demo. Now, once you open the customize tab, it will automatically load a preview of your website, what it looks like. So, and as you're customizing the theme, the changes will reflect immediately. Now, if this was a real website, what we want to do is to change all this information to our information. Now we want to have a logo here, which we'll have to go to the site identity, and then we'll see logo. And then we can always change our site title using this is Sondo Cafe. You can see Sondo Cafe here. You can change the tagline. And in some cases, once you upload the logo, basically replace and shows logo, and then your site title will just appear on the address bar here. All right, so since this is not a demo on building a full website, this is just about setting up themes. I'm just going to go ahead and install another one to show you how to set up. But before that, I want to show you a quick way of customizing any theme. Once you click the customize tab, and it loads this, and then you are seeing this pencil icon. This pencil icon basically means you can click on this to quickly edit any part of this theme. So instead of having to scroll down to look for way to edit these different contents of the theme, you can just click on the pencil icon, and then it will take you right here to exactly where you're supposed to edit this content. For instance, if I click this on this title and I come and click this pencil, it's going to take me straight to where I can edit this information. Let's say we are editing this. You see, that's taking me to where I'm editing this. The same thing applies to every other option you see a pencil on it. All right, so to save your changes, you have to click on publish to save. If you edit anything here and you don't click on publish, those changes are not saved. All right, so let's go ahead and install another theme so we get the whole process. For this, we did a business theme. For the next installation, we're going to look for a blog theme. Okay, let's quickly cancel this and then close this. So we'll have some space here. So we're going to go to the popular tab and then just find another popular theme. This time we'll be looking for a news theme. I just want to show you the different ways of doing this. And let's see if I think there's one new theme I said we'll use. Okay, this is it, color mask. So to install this, we just need to click on install. And then the next thing we want to do is to click on activate to activate the theme. Okay, and now you've seen most of them normally will show you this prompt that allows you to quickly get started with the theme, and then they will also show you a list of recommended plugins. Do well to always just click these and then install the plugins required. So let's click on get started with color mark so it can help us set up the theme. Now let's scroll while that is loading. Let's see what our website looks like. You've seen this is what our website looks like, but it does not look exactly like the preview, like the thumbnail image of the theme we saw. So let's try to make it look exactly like that. Let's go back to the importer. You've seen now it has given us, it is showing us different styles of the theme that we can choose from, different templates of the theme. You've seen some of them are pro, which will require us to buy, and these ones that are showing import overhead are free. You can click on preview to preview and see what they look like, or you can just click on saying this is exactly what this looks like. And for a free theme, this is really quite nice. And for any of them you want to install, all you need to do is just to click on import. All right, let's go ahead and import this. I'm going to ask a few questions. Let's click on confirm and see. So I've not used any of this before, so I'm basically trying this out for the first time. So I don't know how long this is going to take to load. So we'll just give it a while and then allow it to load. So while this is loading, I'm going to explain the process. Yeah, it's basically you log into your WordPress dashboard, which you normally will log in through going to your website.com.net or whatever extension it is /wp-admin, and then you log in with your username and password you had set up during the WordPress installation process. Now, to add a new theme, you simply need to go to themes and then you click on add new, and you can search for a theme using keywords related to the project you want to build. So for a business site, you search for business. For a portfolio website, you will search for portfolio. For an online store, you could just search for store and so on and so forth. Now, after installing a theme, you want to look up here on your dashboard and look at the prompt the theme is giving you. If you don't see a prompt immediately you finish, you just click on dashboard and then you go to your dashboard and then you look at it. Most themes will give you a prompt. The prompt is basically a guide that shows you how to quickly set up that theme. For some of them, it will tell you to install some plugins. For some of them, it will give you a link to import the demo content. Now, if you don't see any of those, what you want to do is to come here to uh, under the options here. You may likely see an import demo option, or you click on customize and then you go through it. You can see an option to import demo content. Okay, this says our import failed. Let's just refresh our website and see if it actually failed or if it had actually finished. Oh, you've seen the import did not actually fail. Is our import was actually successful. Now, at times you may get error messages with import because you had, maybe you had some content on your website. When you are importing a theme demo, it's always good that it's a fresh installation. It's a website that you don't have content on. That showed that the import failed. But luckily for us, the import was actually successful. All right. So that's another way. That's simply how to install a theme automatically and then import the demo. It's basically just after activating the theme, just basically watching out for the prompt. Now we're going to try the manual installation, which we are going to go to add new. You have this here, and then we're going to click on upload theme. Now for that, you can go to, aside from installing WordPress theme directly from the WordPress themes directory, you can also go to the WordPress website, which is wordpress.org, and then go for themes. You can also see everything you're seeing in your dashboard right here. In fact, these themes you're seeing here are actually pulled from the WordPress site. So you can also see everything exactly, and then you can also search for it by name. Now remember I talked about the favorites tab. You cannot use it when you are accessing the team directory from your website, but you can use it when you're accessing the team directory from WordPress.org. You have to be logged into your website to be able to add a theme to your list of favorites. Now you have to be logged into the WordPress website rather. Now to create an account on the WordPress website is quite simple. You just need, if you're not logged in, you see register here. So you just click on the register and then you just type in, you just fill in your email, your preferred username. Now to add a theme to your list of favorite theme so you can pull it up on your website, all what you need to do is to click on the theme and then you're just going to see this, which is just to favorite. Once you click it, it has that theme to your list of favorite theme. If you want to pull that list on the side, what you need to go do is to be on favorites and then you type in your username and you click get favorites and then it's going to pull it. You've seen that I have a couple of themes had added to my list. This is the last one I just added now. So let's move to the step of installing a WordPress theme manually. Now, this is also how you will install a third-party theme from maybe Theme Forest and so on. And then you can also download a theme from the WordPress website and install it manually if you don't want to pull it automatically. But pulling automatically is also good in the situation whereby you don't have a strong internet connection and so on. But this also has an advantage of you being able to add. You can also come here and if you see a theme you like, add it to your favorites and then you go to your dashboard and then you pull the list. This is just in a situation whereby you just want to download the theme or you have a local installation. So you can always maybe just click on download and then it will download the theme to your system. Now, the same way we are going to install this theme is the same way you install a third-party theme, maybe from Theme Forest and so on. So you go here and remember what we did. Instead of searching here, we clicked upload theme right here. So instead of searching, we click upload theme just up here and then it gave us this where we can choose our file and upload. So I just downloaded Petals, so I'm just going to click on it and then the next we want to click on install now and then we give it some few seconds to upload. You can see here it's counting and then it's trying to upload the theme file. So we just give it some few seconds to load. This approach takes a little while, but once you install your theme, it's just going to show you activate, and then you're just going and you can just go ahead and activate your theme. All right, showing the link has spoiled, but okay, let me switch. I think there's a problem wrong with this server. Let me switch to my official website and try to upload from there. So we're just going to click on upload theme and we're going to choose our file, Petals, select, and then we click install now. I want you to see exactly how to do this. It is uploading. Just give it some few seconds to upload. So with this, you just need to download your theme and then put it on your system. And then you click this choose file and then you locate your theme where you have it saved on your system. And then you click install now and give it some few seconds to load. It could take a while to load depending on the size of the theme and your internet connection. Okay, this is still loading. Give it a little while. All right, so once it's finished loading, it's going to say show installing theme and then theme successfully installed. Now at this point, you could load a preview or just click on activate to activate the theme. So it's the same. That's also how we install. You're saying this theme has been installed. That's how you also install a third-party theme from maybe Theme Forest. You just go to your Theme Forest website. You go to Theme Forest and then you log into your Theme Forest account and then you Once you see your theme, you could click on download, and what you want is to click on the installable WordPress file only, which is going to download a zip file you can use and install your theme. If you click on all files and documentation, you have to unzip the zip archive, and then you look inside it. You are going to see another zip file which is going to have your installable WordPress file. So you just come to your dashboard, and then you go to add new, and then you upload theme, and then you select it and upload. Now, for any theme that you find difficult to use, you can always search for that theme documentation. Literally, what the WordPress teams have, their theme documentation, which basically guides you on how to use the theme, how to install it, how to import the demo content. So you could search for the theme name and then search for documentation. And if it's a premium theme, once you go to the theme website and log into your dashboard, you see the documentation. So that guides you on how to set that up. Oh, I'm getting a battery warning. Well, it's a good thing that we are done. So that's basically how to install, set up, and customize a WordPress theme. Thank you so much for watching. And if you find this tutorial useful, please like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified when I upload other useful tutorials like this. Thank you.